This method provides an objective, machine-repeatable alternative to performing traditional fiber analysis of paper, and it exceeds the metrological limits of traditional fiber analysis. Unlike traditional fiber analysis, it is quick, contactless, non-destructive, and requires no specialized training, nor is it dependent on the visual acuity of an individual analyst.
Record all manufacturing information provided with the ream of paper, such as basis weight, manufacturer's advertised post-consumer waste content, and manufacturer's advertised brightness. Wear gloves and perform handling with tweezers to avoid creasing and contaminating the paper samples. Take an average of 10 thickness measurements along a sheet from the ream using a caliper. Identify the machine and cross directions of the sheet. Using a protractor, identify and cut the paper along the desired strip angle between the machine and cross directions. Using a rotary cutter, slice test strips 0.5 cm wide by 8 cm long in the target orientation for the sample. Label samples from one end and store between glass microscopy slides. Store under nitrogen atmosphere until testing. Perform accelerated paper fade testing as described in the text protocol. Cut sample strips out of the aged paper samples to fit the resonant cavity. The typical specimen area is 0.5 cm by 8 cm.